will home prices go higher with this war, since inflation will go higher, or it doesn't affect it at all? No, I think home prices will go lower. So if inflation gets out of control, what happens is the government has to raise interest rates, right, to make inflation go down, prices go down. And if interest rates go up, then it's more expensive for us to get mortgages. And if it's more expensive to get a mortgage, then housing prices will fall. So back in the early 1980s, I remember this well, man, when interest rates in America and Canada, where I grew up, when interest rates were close to 20%, my dad started his company in 1977 when I was 4. And it was great growing up and seeing him start this amazing company. I learned more about business than any other source than from him. But I remember in the early 80s, his company was just getting off the ground, and he had to borrow from his company to be able to pay the mortgage. 20%. It was brutal, man. And in Canada, unlike the United States, you cannot write off the interest on your mortgage. So the bottom line is, if inflation gets out of control, the government raises interest rates. If interest rates rise, it hurts the housing market because mortgages become more expensive. And the stock market does awful as well. So here's what happened in the early 80s. It's fascinating. So because interest rates were close to 20%, everybody thought, you know, man, I'm just going to leave my money in the bank and I'll make 20% risk-free. Why should I buy stocks? And the market was terrible during the Carter administration. Then Ronald Reagan became president. I love Reagan. He's my hero. Yeah, he took on communism. He said, Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall. Remember that? I miss that guy. But anyway, every other asset class does crap if rates are high because people make more money in the bank. Leave their money in the bank.